A glass of milk is often considered as a whole meal due to the fact that it contains 9 essential nutrients. We're sure your mother and grandmother's narrated lists of the health benefits glass milk possesses while forcing you to empty yours. And we're here to tell you that the wise women of your life were right. It's time to consider cutting back on those cups of coffee and maybe replacing them with just plain old milk. Boosts your immune system. Drink more milk to strengthen your immune system. Nutrient-rich dairy milk is packed with immune-boosting vitamins and nutrients like protein, vitamin D, vitamin A, zinc, and more. Improves your bone and teeth health. Calcium is essential for bone and teeth health and reducing stress fractures. An easy way to get more calcium in your diet is drinking more dairy milk and eating cheese, yogurt, and other dairy foods. Aids your digestive health. Focusing on your digestive health is a great way to get the most out of your diet. Start with getting 3 servings of dairy daily. Dairy is full of digestive aids like vitamin D for calcium absorption, the B vitamins that help convert food into energy, and selenium to stabilize the metabolism. Helps you relax. Consider drinking a warm glass of milk before bed. Dairy milk has a small amount of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that triggers both melatonin and serotonin. The high-quality proteins in milk leave you feeling full and satisfied, so you won't go to bed feeling hungry. Strengthens your heart health. Help keep your heart healthy with dairy milk. Multiple studies have linked including low-fat or fat-free dairy in your diet to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and lower blood pressure among adults. Improves your skin and hair health. Enhance your skin and hair health with milk. Drinking a glass of nutrient-rich dairy milk means you're getting high-quality protein for hair health and vitamin A and zinc to help your skin glow. Benefits your emotional and mental health. Eating a nutritious and balanced diet is key to overall holistic health. Foods rich in vitamin D, C, and the B vitamins, like milk, help keep your digestive system and your brain happy. This can lead to improved emotional and mental well-being. Aids in post-exercise recovery. Low-fat chocolate milk is an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. It's a natural source of high-quality protein to build lean muscle, has proteins and carbs to refuel muscles, and provides fluids and electrolytes like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sodium to rehydrate. Boosts your energy. Ever feel energized after drinking a glass of milk? There's a reason for that. Dairy milk has lactose, a naturally occurring sugar that provides energy. Protein might play a role too. While not directly related to providing energy, protein helps you feel satisfied and full and avoid sugar crashes. Helps you stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is critical to your overall health. Dairy milk can help. Milk is full of electrolytes like calcium, potassium, sodium, and magnesium that help you recover what's lost in sweat and rehydrate. Is beneficial during pregnancy. Dairy milk's benefits start before you're even born. One of milk's 13 essential vitamins and nutrients is iodine, which supports bone and brain development during pregnancy and infancy. It's also linked to cognitive function in childhood.